Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche with a low competition niche, so this video is only for you. In this video, I can show you how can you find out from a huge amount of product with a small product. So today what I am gonna talk about activity book niche. So you can find out a unique with a low competition product with a low search volume from high search volume product. So let's go Amazon KDP marketplace and we search activity book. Here the results 70,000. So huge amount of product, huge amount of book. So from this book we can find out with a low competition, high profitable and low search volume product. Here we can see a lot of product. We can find out unique and activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. Here we can see search volume 70,000. Here we can see unicorn activity book for kids ages 4 to 8 40,000. So 30,000 is already gone. So from 40,000 we can find out a small niche. The magical unicorn activity book for kids. We can also search this book. Here the results only shows 535. So this is a micro niche. This is a micro niche with a highly profitable. So we can search, we can check out the copyright and trademark also. No TSS, and we can also Google search the magical unicorn activity book for kids. So obviously this is a highly profitable niche, and we can also and its search volume is 19 to 76, and we can calculate the income of this book. To 76. Wow, per day sales 14 and per month sales 2,215. So obviously this is a profitable niche. We check out the interior pages of this book. So this is easy to create a book cover. This is easy to create a book cover, and interior pages is also good. So this is very easy. You can create good book cover and good manuscript and select a good profitable keywords, then you can earn a lot of money from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with my videos more niche, more ideas, and you can definitely learn about profitable niche from my video, from my channel. So like, comment and share my videos. Thank you so much.